If you've been putting off video because you don't have time to sit in front of a camera, or honestly you just don't want to, there's a fix for that now. You can clone yourself with AI. You record once, and your digital twin handles everything after that. I'm going to show you exactly how it works, what tool I use, and what to watch out for before you start. Let's dive in. Quick heads up, the link is in the description and you can get started for free. So first, what does cloning yourself actually mean here? You record a short video of yourself. The tool uses that footage to build a digital twin of you. Your face, your voice, your expressions. From that point forward, you type a script and your twin delivers it. On screen, on camera, looking like you. No studio, no lighting setup, no blocking out 2 hours to edit video. You write the words and AI shows up for you. That's the basic concept. Now let me show you how it works in practice. The tool I use and recommend is HeyGen. It's my favorite for this specific use case. It's easy to set up, affordable, and actually produces results you can publish. Trial link is in the description. Here's the step-by-step process. 1. Set up your avatar. When you create your HeyGen account, you'll go to the avatars section of the dashboard, and then you'll go to create avatar. Select clone a real person. You can record right there using a webcam or phone. I recommend the phone. Or if you already have a video, upload that footage. HeyGen gives you a script to read, so it can capture your natural delivery. Good lighting, clean background, looking directly at the lens. Don't rush this part. This is the one time you actually have to be on camera. Everything after this, you don't. HeyGen processes your footage and builds your digital twin. This takes a bit of time, sometimes hours. You'll get a notification when it's ready. Step 2, clone your voice. This is separate from the visual, and it's worth doing properly. In HeyGen, you record a voice sample, a few minutes of you speaking naturally. The tool replicates cadence, your tone, the way you naturally pace a sentence. When done right, the output doesn't sound robotic. It sounds like you had a really good recording day. The quality of your voice sample matters. Quiet room, no echo, and talk the way you actually talk, not how you think you should sound on microphone. Step 3, create your first video. Go into HeyGen Studio, select your avatar, and type or paste your script. Adjust pacing and emphasis right in the editor. Swap backgrounds, change outfits, add captions, change the layout, all without touching a camera. Hit generate. Your avatar delivers the script, you download the video, done. The whole process, once your avatar is built, takes about as long as it takes to write the script. Where this actually gets used, the obvious one is content. YouTube videos, LinkedIn, social. Your twin handles the volume stuff, so you can save your time for when you really need to be on camera. But a few less obvious ones worth knowing about. Sales follow-up. Send personalized video messages at scale. Onboarding and training. Internal updates. Send weekly video messages from you without actually having to record. Now, HeyGen isn't the only tool in this space. Synthesia is another one worth mentioning, and that link is also in the description. It's built more towards enterprise teams doing training at scale. Strong avatar library, clean interface, and SOC 2 compliant if that matters for your organization. If you're producing internal learning content for a large team, it's worth looking at alongside HeyGen. Here's the honest takeaway if you're about to spend money on it. The realism is genuinely good now. Lip sync is accurate. Voice cloning, when you give it quality input, is close to how you actually sound. The interface is approachable. You don't need a production background to use it. And the output is publishable. That's the part that matters. What it doesn't do. Your training footage quality determines your avatar quality. Bad lighting in means a mediocre avatar out. The 20 minutes you put into a solid setup before you record pays off in every video after that. It's also not replacing the camera for everything. High stakes moments, a direct pitch, a keynote, something where real human presence is the whole point. Those still benefit from actually showing up. Your AI twin is for the volume work. Who this is right for? Founders, operators, owners. Anyone that knows they need to be doing video content, but they keep hitting a wall of not having enough time to record. This solves that specific problem. Who should think twice? If you don't know what you want to say yet, if the strategy isn't clear, if the audience isn't defined, or if the point of view isn't there, the AI twin won't fix that. An AI version of you still needs a good script. The technology handles handles the delivery. You still need to produce the thinking. And here's where I land. This is a real tool now, not a novelty, not a gimmick. For the right setup, where you know what you're saying and to whom, it removes one of the most consistent bottlenecks in execution. The recording requirement disappears. The production overhead disappears. What's left is just write the script, generate the video, and publish. That's a meaningful change if video has been sitting on your list for a while. HeyGen is where I'd start. There's a link to get started for free in the description.